Let's be honest, the online space can feel overwhelming. Everyone is busy talking about algorithm, trends, and followers, but no one tells you what truly matters, which is connection. I didn't grow my online presence overnight. I grew it when I stopped trying to impress everyone. I grew my online presence when I started focusing on impacting the right ones. And this is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this videos. So I'll advise you to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any part. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time you're coming across my content, please do well to click on the subscription buttons. Now, how can you grow your online presence authentically? No fake followers. You don't need millions of followers. You only need the right audience that trusts you. The truth is, fake followers might make your numbers look good, but the authentic growth happens when you start sharing stories, not just stats. You show your process, not just your highlight reels. You talk like a friend, not like a brand. Post content that sounds like you, not what you think works, because real attracts real, and authenticity never goes out of style. Now, the second thing I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is how to attract the right audience who actually cares. Stop chasing everyone. Start speaking to someone. This is one way you can attract the right audience that really care about your content. The right audience doesn't come because your content is perfect. Nobody's looking for a perfect content. They only come because your message feels personal. Ask yourself this question: who am I creating for? What pain, desire, or dream do they have that I understand deeply? Now, if you have answers to these questions, then you know that you are speaking to the right audience. Now, once you know that, every caption, video, or post becomes a magnet. They start pulling in people who sees themselves in your story. Now, here's the secret: you don't find your audience, you earn their attention by being consistent, valuable, and human. Sound like human, not AI, not robots. Now, the third thing I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is how to turn your content into income through multiple streams. Yes, I know this is what most of you are actually waiting for, and that is one why you are doing this content creation game. Now, let's talk money, because your content deserves to be profitable. That is very, very much important. Once you've built trust, you can now monetize your presence in multiple ways. These ways is what I'm sharing with you now. You can monetize your online presence by selling digital products and services such as ebooks, courses, or guides that solve a problem. When you solve problem, money will flow in. Second way you can monetize your presence, your online presence, is by having brand deals and sponsorship deals, such as you collaborate with companies that aligns with your message. Now, the third way you can monetize your online presence is by affiliate marketing. You recommend tools you've already used and earn commission. Tools you've already used, you are sure of, and then you recommend it, and then you start earning commissions from these tools. Another way you can now monetize your online presence is by organizing coaching or consulting services. You turn your experience into transformation for others. There are lots of persons that wants your consulting services. There are lots of persons that want to hear from you. The other way you can monetize your presence is by having YouTube or blog monetization. It cannot just be YouTube, Facebook monetization, other platforms monetization. Now you get paid for views, ads, and partnerships. Your content is the bridge. Your value is the destination. When people trust you, they will pay to go where you are leading. The fourth thing I'm going to be sharing with you is the mindset shift that has helped me go from a hobby creator to paid creator. If you're finding this video interesting, if you're finding it valuable and informative, do well to click on the subscription button. And for a long time, I treated my content like a side project. I treated it like a side hobby. I posted inconsistently, second-guessed myself, and waited for motivation. But everything changed when I made one simple decision. And that decision changed everything. That decision was to treat my content like a business. I treated my content like a brand, even before it paid me. So when you start treating your business, your content like your business, they see changes in your business or in your content. Remember, your content is more like your business. Now, I showed up when I didn't feel like showing up. I learned skills I didn't know I needed. Skills like marketing, storytelling, editing. I stopped posting for likes and I started creating for impact. And that's when the shift happened. Brands started noticing me, my community grew, and the money started flowing. Now, the last thing I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is the step-by-step strategies you can start applying today. What are these strategies? What are the things you need to start doing to see changes, positive results in your channel, in your profile? First is what you need to define your message. What do you stand for? That's more like your brand. What do you want people to feel when they hear from you? You define your message. It's not today you're posting about your content is about cooking. Tomorrow you've moved from cooking to education, and the next minute you're doing another thing. No, define your message. Now the next strategies that you need to start applying is what you pick one platform to master first. Don't be everywhere. Pick one platform, you master it, build authority there before you move over to another place. Don't be on Facebook today, tomorrow you're growing a TikTok account, the next minute you're on YouTube, and just like that, yet you don't even master anyone. No, pick one platform and work on it. Master it first before you switch to another platform. And the next thing you need to start applying today is to post with purpose. Don't just post randomly. No, post with purpose. Every piece of your content should teach, inspire, or entertain someone. Post with a purpose, don't post randomly. The next thing you need to start applying in your content is what? You engage intentionally. Start replying to comments, DMs, and feedbacks. That's where loyalty is built. Don't ghost your audience. Don't leave your comment section blank. Even if it's a hi, send a reply. Now, the next strategy you need to start applying today is to create values, not volume. Quality connection beats quantity of posts every time. Consistency turns visibility into credibility, and credibility turns into income. Create value, not volume. Not post 20, create 20 posts, you publish them, but none of this content is creating value. That's volume. You're just making noise and you're not going to get results. Solve problem and then you get results. You don't have to chase trends to grow. You just need to be consistent, clear, and courageous enough to show up as yourself, because the real win isn't just getting followers. The real win is you building a community that believes in you, a community that believes in your content, a community that believes in your brand, that learns from you and wants to grow with you. That is where the real followers, the real win comes in. Now, if this spoke to you, do well to drop a heart in the comment section, or do well to leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more of our weekly videos on content creation, monetization, and growing your online